What's the meaning of cupcake? Cupcake. Cupcake.
Cupcake. Cupcake. A cupcake is a type of small cake that is typically baked in a paper or foil cup and is meant to serve one person. The cake batter is usually sweetened and flavored, and may contain ingredients such as cocoa powder, vanilla or fruit. After baking, the cupcake is often topped with frosting or other decorations, such as sprinkles or candy. Cupcakes are popular desserts for special occasions, such as birthdays or weddings, and are also enjoyed as a sweet treat for snacking or dessert.